How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel. In this video, we are going to be talking about a penny stock that is involved with exploration and finding earth metals that are crucial to building electric batteries. So we're going to be talking about this company in detail. What are some important projects this company is working on? And we're also going to be hearing from the CEO going over exactly some important updates and what to expect for this company. So we're going to cover all this important information in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. As you can see over here, the company ticker symbol is going to be GAMA. All time it's up 13.6%, and the last 5 days it's seeing a phenomenal run up 22.86%. So let's go over and do more research about the company. You can go to their website to go over and look at exactly what is their mission statement, what are some important projects that this company is working on, and also you can go over and look at the management team and etc. So as you can see from their website, Gama Explorations, a part of the green energy revolution, creating value through exploration of critical energy metals. So we talked about in this channel in the past about a lot of electric vehicle companies and some important mining companies, and this exploration and mining companies are really the foundation for the future of humanity, because we know the majority of the world, the US, Europe, even China, they're planning to transition completely from regular gas and petroleum vehicles to electric vehicles by 2050. Some of them have goals that are really optimistic. They're trying to accomplish it pretty soon, but we all know that we are transitioning to EVs. And in order to build electric vehicles, you need to have batteries. And the building blocks for batteries are minerals like lithium and nickel, copper, and etc. Those are going to be the most important minerals that you need to be watching out for and find in crucial important countries, so you can mine them and produce those minerals to build those electric vehicle batteries. So it's really important to pay attention to companies that are working and trying to find lithium and other important minerals so that they can be able to produce them and provide a lot of support for these massive electric vehicle companies. So let's talk about exactly what Gama Exploration is working on and their mission statement. So as you can see, Gama Exploration about us. Gama Exploration is a military exploration company engaged in creating shareholder value through the exploration, acquisition, and development of underexplored base metal projects with significant upside potential. Of course, there's going to be potential because a lot of the world, as I mentioned, they're transitioning to electric vehicles. So, those companies, those mining companies, exploration companies that can provide those important minerals, they could potentially bank pretty massively if they're successful. So we are going to be getting some important updates. We're going to be hearing from the CEO in this video about these important current projects like the Muskox Lithium Project, the Tyee Nickel Copper Project. We have the Big Onion Copper Project. And we're also going to be hearing from the CEO going over in detail about the massive updates about these projects later on. Now let's go over and look at some important recent press releases and recent news about Gama Explorations. As you can see, Gama commences fully funded phase 1 exploration programs at the Muskox and Tyee projects. So let's go over and hear from the CEO going over exactly these important projects, what this means for the company, and what to expect. So this recent interview that he did was around 2 weeks ago. So this is a really recent update about the company. After we hear about the company, I'm going to come back and go over exactly what to expect for the company. So let's check out this interview.
Today, we're getting the latest update from Gama Explorations, a Canadian exploration company that trades on the CSE under the symbol GAMA. Joining us again today is Gama CEO Mick Carew. Mick, how are you doing today?
Very good, Megan. Thanks for having me.
So, Mick, before we jump into the latest updates from Gama, could you please give us a quick overview of the company and your portfolio of projects in Canada?
Sure. Well, Gama is a battery metals exploration company. We have 3 projects, all located in Canada. First of all, we have the Muskox Lithium Project in the Northwest Territories. We have the Tyee Nickel Project in Quebec, and we have the Big Onion Copper Project in British Columbia.
And this week, the company announced the commencement of the phase 1 exploration at the Muskox and Tyee projects. Starting at the Muskox project, could you walk us through the property and targets you have outlined for the first phase of exploration?
Sure. Well, the Muskox Lithium Project, it is a 50-kilometre square project area, and we have currently the understanding of one lithium-bearing pegmatite. The program that we just announced is twofold. We're doing a LiDAR survey to help identify additional lithium-bearing pegmatites within our project area. That's scheduled to start in the next few days. And secondly, we have prospecting and mapping crews going out there to systematically go through our property and identify any additional lithium-bearing pegmatites that we have within our property, in addition to the CM1 pegmatite that we do know about that's located on the southern margin of our property, of our project area.
And now onto the Tyee Nickel Project, where the company has been actively consolidating your land package and currently working through an airborne geophysical survey. Could you walk us through this project and what the next phase will look like during the summer program?
Sure. So yeah, as you mentioned, we're currently conducting a SkyTem survey. This SkyTem survey covers our whole land package, all of our just under 630 square kilometres. And what it will give us is hopefully give us EM anomalies. These EM anomalies, or this type of survey, is very useful for exploring for massive sulfide nickel deposits. And so once the survey is completed, we'll look at the data set, identify any EM anomalies that we pick up from that survey, and then mapping and sampling crews will go out and look at these anomalies and map and sample and determine what anomalies, what targets are there, and rank those targets accordingly. And towards the end of the summer, we'll hopefully be in a position to perhaps make a decision on some kind of drill program.
Sounds great. And before we let you go, is there anything our listeners should be paying attention to over the next few weeks?
Sure. So, we've hit the ground running with the exploration program. We have a drill program that's permitted at the Muskox Lithium Project. That's scheduled to start in July, August. But we're going to have a lot of news flow. A lot of things are happening over the next 2 to 3 months during our summer. And we're very excited about it. We think both projects hold a lot of promise. And we think we're going to be in a good position at the end of summer. We're well cashed up. We raised around $7.7 million since November. So we're in a good position, and we think we'll be in a good space in the next few months.
Well, Mick, thank you for taking the time to give us an update on behalf of Gama. And as usual, we'll be following the story closely and look forward to having you on again soon.
Thanks very much, Megan.
As you heard from the CEO, this is an exploration company. They have they're fully funded right now, so they're working on their projects as we speak. So if you want to do more research about the company, go ahead and go to their website, Gama Explorations. You can be able to see detailed breakdown of this project, some important share structure of the company. As you can see, they have share outstanding of more than 59.3 million shares. They have more than 6.7 million warrants. They have 3.2 million options, and the shares fully diluted is around 69 million shares. So you can definitely go over and look at a detailed breakdown of their investor presentation. You can click on their investor presentation, go over some of the important things that this company is doing, is working right now. Of course, we just heard from the CEO some of the important things that this company is working on, some of the important projects and etc. But if you want to do more research about it, you can definitely go to their website and look at some of the important updates looking at their investor presentation. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this company? Of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell. About to catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.